In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Jotform in Shopify. By the end, you'll have your Jotform live on a Shopify page, ready for customers to fill out without leaving your site. We'll start in Jotform. Log in, then head to My Forms and locate the form you want to embed. Open the Share or Publish options and look for the Embed section. Here you'll see different ways to place the form on your site. For most Shopify stores, iframe is the most reliable choice because it isolates the form and reduces conflicts with your theme. If you want a smoother, mobile-friendly experience without a second scroll bar, select Embed Without Scroll, which is recommended for responsive design. Once you've chosen the option that fits your layout, copy the embed code. Make sure you grab the entire snippet so nothing is missing. A partial copy can cause the form not to display properly. Now switch over to your Shopify admin. From the left menu, go to Online Store and then Pages. Open the page where you want the form to appear, or create a new page if you're starting fresh. In the editor, locate the Show HTML button, usually represented by a bracket icon. Click that to switch from the visual editor to the HTML view. This is important because pasting the code into the visual editor won't render the form. Paste the Jotform embed code exactly where you want the form to appear within your page content. If you're placing it between other content, leave a blank line before and after for cleaner spacing. When you're done, click Save. Your form should now appear on the Shopify page. To confirm, click View or open the page on your storefront in a new tab. If you don't see the form immediately, refresh the page or clear your browser cache. If it still doesn't show, return to the page editor, double-check that you're in HTML mode, and verify that the full code is present. For layout tweaks, you can adjust width and height values inside the embed code if needed, but keep them responsive to ensure a great mobile experience. If you used Embed Without Scroll, you'll avoid double scroll bars and keep the form feeling native to your page design. That's all it takes. Copy the Jotform embed code, paste it into the HTML view of your Shopify page, save, and you're live.